Hello, traders. It's Andy with Trade Ideas. It is December the 7th on a Thursday, and kind of an ugly bar yesterday in the market. I think we could take a look at the SPYs and the Qs, but I'm just going to focus on the SPYs here, and you can see we can call that a dark cloud cover. We'll see what happens. We are gapping up again today, and it is that time of year where the market seems like it wants to melt up. So we'll see what happens, but let's take a look at some setups. I got a couple of my stocks that I've been mentioning the last few days. First one is Frontdoor here. Been holding up well, and a little bit of a pullback yesterday, but no damage done. I still think you have to wait for that triple high there, what would be a triple high if you can break through that level. FRPT, very similar. So we're going to put a price alert right at that monthly high, maybe a little bit earlier, so you won't miss it. Definitely one on the radar for you guys that don't mind trading gold. GLD is setting up nicely. Pulled back to this 10-period moving average, but is gapping up a little bit. This is close to all-time highs there. And if you prefer the miners, I like the way EGO's holding up. EGO holding above that 10-period moving average. Maybe just look for a push above, above that 2-day high there. Those of you who don't mind bottom fishing, I like the relative strength I'm kind of seeing in TOST. I've been in this one for a few days. I like the way it kind of based down there after earnings, never took out that earnings low. And now, it's a key pivot level. So look for a break above that 1-month high there in TOST. And that's going to do it for today. Keep it tight and look for your setups. We'll talk to you tomorrow. Bye-bye.